from the Communications Today team. It is our constant endeavour to keep you abreast with the latest in telecom and enterprise. Today, on Women's Day, we begin an initiative to bring to the forefront women leaders, to highlight their contributions, celebrate their journeys and achievements, and are determined to do this not just today but throughout the year. A challenged world is an alert world. Individually, we're all responsible for our own thoughts and actions, all day, every day. From challenge comes change, so with the Women's Day 2021 theme, let's all choose to challenge. We start this initiative with Women in Telecom. The journey for them has been an exciting, albeit nail-biting one. A few successful women leaders share their thoughts, experiences, and challenges in this male-dominated industry. Let's hear from them today, and we will showcase many more empowered women who are breaking the glass ceiling and helping bring about radical changes in workplace ideology. Don't miss the surprise speaker at the end of the video.
Namaste everyone. Cheers, one and all, on the Women's Day. Not only on the Women's Day, actually, for each day of the year, for all the moments in your life where you are doing exceptionally well, where you are making immense contribution to the society, to people around you, you're making a positive difference. Cheers to all of that. I'm Alka Asthana, CTO, Indus Towers Limited, formerly known as Bharti Infratel Limited. We are in an industry which is telecom infrastructure, and most people think that this is not an industry for women. It is not safe, it is not, women are not fit here, and we are here to prove them wrong. Everybody who is a naysayer gets converted into a yay-sayer, and we have lots of women working in frontline roles doing an amazingly good job as quality engineers, as cluster in charges, going out there in the field doing it firsthand, and they are doing an amazing job. From the times when I would walk into a factory and find no washrooms for women, to now it's been some journey, but there are miles to go ahead. I am looking forward to enjoying the company of many more women around me when I walk into any workspace. So calling out to each one of you, it's not that people who do not come to work in the mobile or the telecom industry are not doing exceptionally great things, but I'm being a little selfish here, and I want more company of women around me. So on this Women's Day, let's just bond together, and hip hip hooray to each one of us. Great. Stay safe, everyone.
Hey everyone, a very happy Women's Day to all of you. Today I've been asked to reflect upon and talk about my journey in the telecom sector. Well, for me, it has surely been an exciting journey filled with immense learning and multitude of opportunities which have contributed to my professional and personal growth. The one thing about the sector that has always amazed me is the pace at which it has been progressing and reinventing itself. I don't think there is any industry which is as dynamic and gives you so many avenues to contribute to. Something that has worked for me and which I feel is essential to succeed in this sector is the openness to constantly adapt, learn, and also unlearn at times. Yes, there is a need for greater representation of women in telecom, especially at leadership levels. At Jio, we recognize this need and have launched several initiatives for advancing gender diversity across all levels in our organization. My message to all the aspiring women leaders: keep reinventing yourself, reach out, collaborate, lean on other women leaders, be vocal about the things which are important and which drive you, and lastly, work on your interpersonal skills which are essential to advance your career graph. So seize the opportunity, my friends, and chart your own success story. Thank you.
Whatever other challenges, I personally believe that there are few basic principles that always helps us to deal with any situation, face any challenges, and emerge successful. So my mantra for success would be bold, be courageous, be confident. So whatever you are saying, whatever you are doing, just be confident in that. Then I would say pursue excellence, because there is no shortcut there. Excellence will always stand out. So it's very important that we always aim for excellence in whatever we do. Then another very key ingredient I would say is competence. As they say, knowledge is power. So be the best in the domain or the area or the function that you are in, and be like a lifelong student. Keep learning, keep upgrading your skills and knowledge, and that's the value you bring to the table, right? So be the best in the subject or the area that you are in.
At the outset, a very happy Women's Day to all enterprising women in telecom and other fields. Telecom is a dynamic and evolving industry, and I'm proud to say that women have been at forefront of shaping the past, present and future of digital transformation. Case in point being the extremely forward-looking and well-appreciated National Telecom Policy and effort which was led by none other than ex-Telecom Secretary Ms. Aruna Sundararajan. There have been many such epoch moments in telecoms in our country and even worldwide. In telecoms, women bring in a unique perspective, creative thinking, deeper understanding on customers, and more importantly, ideas on challenging the present status quo. The diversity in telecom teams is leading to far-reaching innovations and developments which would usher in positive benefits for society per se. Diversity is also a tool for maximizing talent and creating more inclusive and impactful teams. Once again, all my colleagues, a very happy Women's Day to you all.